Hey everyone, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Couture. I am working with 2 transfers today on this big C that I'm decorating for my home. I'm using patterns, and the font that I'm going to use is Gourmet font. So right now I took the patterns with the circles, and it just seemed like the easiest one to match up for a larger surface. Plus, I wanted to be background, so because I wanted to put home on top of it, and I wanted that to pop out. So this just seemed to be the best choice. So I'm just finishing up with all the dots. Then after this dries, I'm going to add home to it. And I'm going to use the brick. It's like a darker red, not a bright red. Just squeegee it all on. And if you like this video and you would like to see more, just go to my website, sherrycriswell.chalkcouture.com, and you can shop, or you can join and be a designer like me, or just have a look around. There it is on my shelf in my home. Love this stuff. So fun. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.